So today here I have this 2005 Mazda Miata that came in with wiring issues. None of the parking lights are working. So I'm removing all of this aftermarket wiring, repairing the factory harness, and I'm going to use fuse taps to power the parking lights and correct the problem. All the aftermarket wiring is being removed and returning to its factory setup. So it seems like this is a common issue with the Mazda Miatas. So I looked around to see where the shortage was. I wasn't able to locate it, so I removed the wire, repaired the factory harness, and used fuse taps into the left and right headlight into the fuse box to power all the lights, and that fixed the problem. There's a few other wires cut underneath the dash and the cluster. So the wire here underneath the dash, this is where they cut it and ran that red wire into the engine bay. So I removed that and I tapped two fuse taps into the fuse to correct that problem. Now everything is working as it should, everything is corrected. If anybody has any questions, leave a comment down below and I can help you fix your Mazda Miata issue as well.